Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Sweatcoin into Sweat Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you are using the Sweatcoin application as well as the Sweat Wallet application. If you don't know that, let me tell you that both of these applications are different, but you can connect both of these. So once you have installed Sweatcoin application and the Sweat Wallet in your device, you need to first launch your Sweatcoin mobile application. Now over here on the home page, you will be able to see your step count, and in the inside, you're going to see each and every day activity that you have made on Sweatcoin application. Now over here in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will be able to see your current Sweatcoin balance. So if you tap on this balance option, you will be landed on this balance page, where if you tap on this See All Transactions History, then you will be able to see all of the Sweatcoins that you have earned each and every single day. You will also be able to see the month-by-month tab as well. So if you tap on the previous month, you will also be able to see the activities of your previous month. Now here you just have to come back to the balance page again, and now you will have to tap on the option that says Login into Sweat Wallet. So over here, in order to basically change your Sweatcoin into Sweat Wallet, you don't need to actually do anything. The process is automatic, and these will be automatically added in your Sweat Wallet only if you've connected your Sweat Wallet with your Sweatcoin account. So here, if you tap on the Open Sweat Wallet option, you will be landed on the Sweat Wallet page where you will be able to see login options. So over here, you just have to tap on the login with Sweatcoin option. Now once you do this, it will take some time, and here you just have to tap on the Let's Get Started button and open your wallet button. And this way, you will be able to connect your Sweatcoin with your Sweat Wallet application. Now once it is connected successfully, if you want to change your Sweatcoin into Sweat Wallet, you will be able to see the claimable sweat that you have in your account, and right next to it, you will be able to see the claim option. So if you tap on this claim option, it will show you that, congrats, you have this much amount of sweat available. So you need to swipe in order to claim the sweat in your account. And those will be added in your Sweatcoin balance in the top, where you will be able to see the total balance. So that's basically how you can change Sweatcoin into Sweat Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.